Are you having issues getting a whole monitor screenshot with Snip and Sketch? Then let's fix that with this guide. Firstly, you can try to adjust the scale levels by opening Settings, go to System, choose Display, head over to the Scale and Layout section, expand the drop-down menu, and select 100% or whatever is the scaling setting you have on your other display from the list of options available. Once done, close the Settings application and reboot to save the changes. Additionally, restart Snip and Sketch by exiting Snipping Tool, search for Windows Search Utility, look for Snipping Tool, and then open the application. Finally, click New, choose Full Screen, and you shall now be able to capture the entire screen successfully. Lastly, update Snip and Sketch by opening your Microsoft Store, search for Snip and Sketch, and download any new updates if available. So that's how you can fix if your Windows Snip and Sketch tool won't screenshot the entire screen of your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.